Give her a little. Oh.
Yeah, she likes to eye me. She likes to eye cheek. She likes to eye cheek. Peaches.
What's her name?
Peaches.
You call her Peaches?
Yeah.
That's a cute name. Can you give her a little kiss?
What's so funny?
Well, Violet wants a little kissy kissy.
What does that say?
It says, big green monster has big yellow eyes.
Yeah. And a yellow bubble snow. But go away, Stringy. What?
Go away, stringy purple hair.
Go away, squiggly two ears. Go away, scary face. Go away, scary mouth. Go away. Go away, scary eyes. Go away, green mushroom.
Oh, look, Violet just said, Cannon, I need a kissy.
And this, and don't come back again.
All right, give Violet a little kissy. Say, I love you, baby girl.
I love him.
Why?
Two
That's
eyes.
not nice.
2 eyes and a blue snow. A green scary face.
Look, she wants to hold your hand.
And
She's saying,
scary ears. And but don't go away,